Hello, my friends. Welcome back to EasySpeak Podcast. My name is John, and I'm very happy you're here with me today. Today, we are going to talk about something very important, something that almost every English learner experiences. Forgetting English words. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever learned a new English word and felt happy? You understood the meaning, you maybe even said, "Oh, this is easy." Yeah, but then, one day later, 2 days later, the word is gone. You think to yourself, "I know this word. I've seen it before. But why can't I remember it now?" If this happens to you, please listen carefully. You are not stupid. You are not bad at English. And you are definitely not alone. Forgetting words is normal. In fact, forgetting words means your brain is working exactly the way it should. Now let's understand why this happens. Your brain is like a muscle. If you use it, it becomes strong. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. When you learn a word only one time, your brain asks a question. It asks, "Is this word important?" If the word does not come back again, your brain thinks, "Okay, I don't need this information," and it deletes it. Not because you are bad, but because your brain wants to save energy. So let me say this very clearly. Forgetting words is not a problem. Forgetting words is part of learning. Now, many English learners make a big mistake here. They think the solution is learning more words. They say, "I will learn 10 words every day," or 20 words, or even 50 words. Yeah, they feel busy, they feel productive, but their brain feels tired, and a tired brain forgets easily. So what is the better solution? The solution is not more words. The solution is meeting the same word many times. Let me give you a simple example. Think about the word morning. This is a very easy word. You already know it. But now listen carefully. Morning coffee, morning routine. In the morning, a morning person. Early morning, same word. Different sentences, different situations. Now your brain says, "Oh, this word appears many times. This word is useful," and your brain keeps it. This brings us to a very important rule. Words do not like to be alone. A word by itself is weak, and weak words are easy to forget. Let me show you what I mean. Listen to this one word. Cold. Cold what? Cold weather. Cold water. Cold hands. Your brain feels confused. Now listen again, but this time with sentences. It is cold today. My hands are cold. I drink cold water. Do you feel the difference? Now the word has a place. It feels clear. It feels real. This is called context. Context means the situation where a word lives. It means how a word is used in real life. When you learn a word alone, your brain forgets it quickly. But when you learn a word inside a sentence, your brain understands it better and remembers it longer. So please remember this simple rule. Never learn a word alone. Always learn it inside a sentence. A sentence gives the word a home. Now let's talk about something else that is very powerful, your voice. Many learners only listen. They read, they think, but they don't speak. English is not only something you think about. English is something you use. Your mouth, your ears, and your brain must work together. So, I want you to do something small but brave. Say the words out loud, not in your head, not silently, out loud. When you speak, your brain hears the word again. And when your brain hears the word again, it understands that the word is important. Let's practice together. First, just listen. I drink water in the morning. Now say it with me, slowly, clearly. Very good. Let's say it one more time. I drink water in the morning. Excellent. Every time you speak, you are building a stronger memory. Listening is good. Speaking is even better. Now let me tell you a small secret about learning English. You do not need long study hours. You do not need 1 hour. You do not need 2 hours. Long study times make your brain tired, and tired brains forget. Your brain loves short study times. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But there is one condition. You must do it every day. This method is called spaced repetition. Spaced means there is space between study times. Repetition means you see the same word again and again. For example, you learn one word today for 5 minutes. Then you stop. Later in the evening, you see the same word again in a new sentence. 5 minutes again. The next day, you see it one more time. First time, the word feels new. Second time, the word feels familiar. Third time, the word feels easy. This is how memory grows. 5 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, 5 minutes the next day. This is much better than studying for one long day and then stopping for a week. So remember this rule. Short time is good. Many days is better. Now, I want you to hear this very clearly. Forgetting is not failure. Forgetting is part of learning. What matters is not speed. What matters is continuing. Small steps every day. Your English is not lost. It is building slowly, quietly, strongly. Thank you so much for listening to EasySpeak Podcast. My name is John, and until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and be kind to yourself.